question number 5. Find the first three terms in ascending order of x in the expansion of each of the following expression. Okay, first of all, we know that a plus b to the power of whole power of n is equals to the a to the power of n plus c combination n combination of 1, a to the power of n minus 1 and b to the power of 1 plus n combination of 2, a to the power of n minus 2 and b to the power of 2. Similarly, it will goes on until it will reach b to the power of n. We can expand these two expressions by using this formula, and we need to find only these three terms. Okay, so first we apply this formula in this expression, which is 2 minus px to the power of 5. So in this case, n is 5. So a, which is 2 to the power of n, which is 5, minus n combination 1 means 5 combination 1, and a, which is 2 to the power of n minus 1 means 5 minus 1, and b, which is negative px to the power of 1 plus, sorry, this one should be plus. Third term, which is n combination 2, so it will be 5 combination 2. A to the power of n minus 1 means 2 to the power of 5 minus 2, and b to the power b square, so in this case is negative px square. So solving this one, we will have 2 to the power of 5 is 32 plus 5 combination 1 is 5, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and time negative px plus 5 combination 2 is 5 times 4 over 2 time 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, and negative px square is p square x square. Further solving, we will have 32, 16 times 5 is 80, and 80 times negative px is negative 80 px, and this one will be 2, and 5 times 2 times 8 is 80, and p square x square. So these are the first three terms in the ascending order of x for the expression this one. Now apply same formula in the expression 1 minus half x whole power 4. So in this case, n is 4, so 1 to the power of 4 plus n combination 1, a to the power of n minus 1 b1. So 4 combination 1, a to the power of n minus 1 means 1 to the power of 4 minus 1, and b to the power of 1 is negative 1 half x to the power of 1 plus third term is n combination 2, a to the power of n minus 2 b to the b square, so it will be 4 combination 2, 1 to the power of n minus 2 means 4 minus 2, and b to the b, which is negative half x square, so it will be square. Okay, when we solve it further, it will be 1 to the power of 4 is 1 plus 4 combination 1 is 4 time 1 cube is 1 time negative half x plus 4 combination 2 is 4 times 3 over 2 time 1 square is 1 time half x square is 1 over 4x square. Okay, this will be cancelled out, and we will have 2, so 1 minus 2x plus 3 over 2x square. So this is the first three term for the expression 1 minus half x whole power 4. Okay, given that the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 2 minus px to the power of 5 times 1 minus half x to the power of whole power of 4 is 93. Find the possible values of the constant p. Okay, when this expansion multiplied with this expansion, we will have different powers. We need to find the terms which have x square. So first we know that 2 minus px to the power of 5 is equal to, we just calculated, was 32 minus 80 px plus 80 p square x square. plus dot dot dot. And we know that the expansion 1 minus half x whole to the power 4 is 1 minus 2x plus 3 over 2x square plus dot dot dot. Okay, these two expansions are multiplied. When each term multiply with another expansion, we will have different power. We need to find which terms when multiplied will give us x square. So from when this term will multiply this term, we will have x square. Okay. Similarly, when this term multiplied with this term, we will have x square. Similarly, when this term multiplied with this term, we will have x square. So we can say that 32 times 3 over 2 x square plus 1 times 80p square x square and negative 2x times negative 80px. So these are the terms of the x square. When they are add up, we will have the coefficient of x square. So this will be 16. So 16 times 3 is equal to 48x square plus 80p square x square minus 2 times 80 is positive 160 x square p. So these are the terms of the x square, and the coefficient of x square is equal to the 93. So we can say that 48 plus 80p square plus 160p is equal to 93. Okay, further solving, we will have 80p square plus 160p plus 48 minus 93, which is equal to 0, and this will be equal to the 80p square plus 160p minus 45 equal to 0. Taking 5 common, we will have 16, 5 times 16p square plus 32p minus 9 equal to 0. So further solving, we will have 16p square plus 32p minus 9 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So we can find value of p by using quadratic formula. So p will be equal to negative b, which is 32 plus minus under root 32 square minus 4 times a, which is 16, and c, which is negative 9, over 2 times a, which is 2 times 16. And further solving, we will have negative 32 plus minus under root 32 square is 1024, and 4 times 16 times 9 is positive 576 over 32. Further solving, we will have negative 32 plus minus under root 1600 over 32, and this will be equal to negative 32 plus minus 40 over 32. So we will have two values of p. P is equal to negative 32 plus 40 over 32, and p is equal to negative 32 minus 40 over 32. And this will be 8 over 32, which is equal to the 1 over 4. And in this case, it will be negative 72 over 32. So this will be equal to the negative 9 over 4. So we have calculated the values of constant p, which will be p is equal to 1 over 4 and p is equal to negative 9 over 4.